Hi. For the beginner, the subscriber count is give negative impression to your channel. So how to hide the subscriber count? This topic is about that setting. So this is one of my channel. Now it's have 456 subscribers. I'll show you how to hide that. For that, log into your YouTube account and click your channel icon and go to YouTube Studio here, add one. And go to setting and select the second one, channel. Then go to advanced setting, the second one, and scroll below. You see here the subscriber count. This is the option to hide the subscriber count. Now is enabled, so I click the tick mark to disable that. Yes, now it's disabled. Then don't forget to click the save button. Otherwise, this feature is not working. Okay, now we recheck our channel. It's the subscriber count is hidden or not. This option is take some time to reflect in your channel.